Guys, welcome to the vlog. We are in Shipshewana and we're trying to find a good place to park. Yay! See, we both have similar glasses on today and we have red shirts. Yeah. Say hi, Grandma! It's kind of raining outside, really bad. So we just finished eating and stuff, and we didn't think if the rain was coming until later. We were wrong. So we made it. We might have gotten soaked, but we made it to the car, so there's that. I'm definitely gonna have to change my socks. Hey guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here because I have a lot of adjusting and packing to do because we are going to be waking up around 4 something in the morning to make sure that we can make it in time for me to get through checking my bag and going through security and all that stuff and get to boarding, which I think starts at like 6:30 in the morning or something like that. I think that's what it said about boarding, so yay. So yeah, I was gonna try to get some other shots, but I don't think it's worth it. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and end it and wrap it up here. Bye!